Let me guess, you come home from work and you'll say to yourself you'll just chill for a bit, one episode or one video, but then it's 11 p.m. and you still haven't done any work on your side hustle. I've been there, but here's the brutal truth. Netflix and YouTube aren't entertainment, they're weapons of mass distraction, and they're killing your dreams. When I first started my side hustle, I was working full-time as a doctor. I'd come home from work, didn't have a lot of time, but I was wasting time away watching videos on how to be more productive, but I'd actually do absolutely nothing to move the needle for my side hustle. Felt like I was learning, but I wasn't building. I was consuming instead of creating. It felt productive, but it was just dopamine. Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, you name it, they're designed to hijack your dopamine system. Steal your attention, drain your energy. The algorithm isn't your friend trying to get you the best video designed for you. It's trying to steal your attention and focus. It's keeping you passive. And let's be honest, every evening you watch someone else chase their dream, you're not chasing your own dream. Everything changed when I created this one rule: no consumption before creation. I had to earn my screen time. I had to earn my dopamine. For example, for a while I had a goal of just 1 hour of deep work and then I could relax for the evening. I also deleted YouTube and social media apps from my phone. More resistance, more friction, harder to be distracted. So if you're serious about building your side hustle with limited time that you have, stop being passive. Don't be a viewer of other people's success. Start creating your own. You've only got a couple of hours each night, let's be honest, after work. So don't spend them on the couch, spend them building. Your future self will thank you.